I will insulate the ceiling before stretching the stretch ceiling. The thickness of the polystyrene is 3 centimeters, which is quite enough to create good comfort in the home. Polystyrene can be glued with a special cement mixture, or you can use regular foam glue. You can use regular mounting foam, but it expands significantly, which will be a bit inconvenient, as leveling will not be possible. Also, for a more quality connection of the polystyrene to the base, I will use dowels that are commonly called mushrooms. The dowel for attaching polystyrene and foam consists of a base and a driven part, a kind of small nail. It can be plastic or metal, depending on the task at hand. First, shake the foam glue well and connect it to the dispensing gun. We place the polystyrene on the floor and apply glue around the perimeter and in the center. First, we secure it with one dowel for fixation, and then as it hardens, we go through all the other corners.
And attach with adhesive between them. To begin with, we carefully trim off all the excess material using a very sharp knife, ensuring precision and accuracy in every cut. This process is crucial to achieve the desired outcome. After meticulously removing the surplus, we proceed to the next step. Ultimately, we successfully create an insulated ceiling, which is expertly crafted from high-quality polystyrene. This material is chosen for its excellent insulating properties, making it an ideal choice for maintaining temperature control and energy efficiency. The entire process requires attention to detail and a thorough understanding of the materials involved, ensuring that the final product meets all necessary standards and expectations.
In some places, I deviated from the method and used a long screw instead of a plastic anchor, as we have lath and clay above, and the screw won't hold well. In the case of a ceiling leak, it is possible for the clay to fall and drop onto the suspended ceiling. Then, everything will have to be dismantled and redone. Now we need to take polyurethane foam and go over all the gaps and unevenness that are present between our insulation. In the end, we got this airtight insulated ceiling off. All the large seams are filled with foam. I didn't touch the small ones because they are almost airtight. It is usually not recommended to insulate walls and ceilings from the inside, but my ceiling and walls are insulated with foam glass, so it is not critical. And the dew point will be far beyond this insulation. The next stage of the renovation, there will be a stretch ceiling down here, so the sealing of the ceiling will be completely perfect.